I have these mason jar lids. You can either get them in a pack at Walmart or you can take them off your existing mason jars, and I'm going to start by painting them in Wiseau white primer. And then once that dries, I'm going to spray them in Rust-Oleum chalked and their white linen. I'm going to glue these wood stars to the center, and then I'm going to use Rock Steady. It's a very bright, hot pink, and I'm going to paint each lid, and while the paint is still wet, I'm going to take a baby wipe and wipe it back. It's almost going to give me a tie-dye look on the lid portion and then the solid color on the star. I found this bunny at Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99, 50% off. And I'm going to start by painting it in Wiseau white primer. I'm going to use this tissue paper by Roy Cycled called Spring Floral, and I'm going to take the cluster of the flowers in the one corner. I'm going to decoupage up to the neck of the bunny. I'm going to use my 1-hour enamel clear, lay down my paper. Again, I'm going to go up to about the neck. Saran wrap. I'm going to use my brayer. You can get these brayers at chalkitupfancy.com along with the tissue paper and the 1-hour enamel clear, and then another coat of the 1-hour enamel clear. I'm going to try to remove most of the paper while everything is still wet. I'm using this razor blade that I got at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to flip the bunny over and go to the other side. Again, my 1-hour enamel clear. I'm going to lay my paper down. If you're going to seam paper together, I try to hit it with the 1-hour enamel clear from the top right away. I'm going to use my saran wrap, my brayer, and again, the 1-hour enamel clear. And then I want to remove this excess paper. I'm just doing this while everything is wet because I did decoupage both sides without waiting for the other side to dry. Once everything dried, I'm going to do this ribbon around the bunny's neck using some hot glue. And this is just going to break up that seam where my paper starts and ends. I tie a bow. Sometimes I like to take the hot glue and place my bow so it sits the way I want to see it. Then I'm going to put these little blocks down that I can get at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to add my lids to the bottom almost so it looks like the bunny is on wheels. Then I'm going to take permanent marker and I'm going to draw a face. Be very simple about it. The eye is just a line with the lashes. Do a triangular nose. And then squiggly whiskers. I'm going to add some Rock Steady inside the ear. And I think this came out really, really cute. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.